always tried to think of different ways to still be able to rotate through my collection while project panning. So when I created this project, I thought it was the perfect way to continue to do so. This is Project Rotate Your Stash April check-in second update. I'm a little behind on my updating on this project on my channel, but we will get into the details on this now. But first, make sure you guys subscribe by clicking that subscribe button. Also, while you're at it, be sure to turn on those notifications so that YouTube will notify you every time I upload. All you have to do is click the little bell and wham bam, thank you ma'am, you're good to go. I don't know why, but I like saying it like that. Everybody, if you're new here, hello, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to the family. My name is Rose. I'm a girl boss on a budget who loves to save money and project pan. Today's video is technically would be my fourth update on Project Rotate Your Stash, but this is actually only my second update on my YouTube channel. I have been continuing with this project over on my Instagram. It's just been rather difficult for me to kind of update all of my project pans on my channel just because I'm doing so many of them. I created this project at the end of December. The dates on this is 12/17 of 2019 to 12/31 of 2020, and I got my inspiration to start this type of a project from BeckyLovesKanga's whole collection project pan, as well as Alexy's makeup collection roulette, where she randomly selected items and updated on them every 2 weeks, but I am just doing my updates monthly. And it's simple. You just pick 5 to 10 products from your makeup collection to focus on for a month, and at the end of each month you do a review on the products and you decide on whether you want to keep the product, pan it, or declutter the product, then incorporating the most important factor on whether you want to keep the item in to pan it, roll it out and pick something new entirely, or keep the item in for another month because you've been enjoying the product. So this project has been great and just kind of helping me to continually cycle through the rest of my makeup collection while still having certain type of focus products or focus projects, and it's been really great for that. Let's just go ahead and get into it. I will show you the products that I chose for March and let you guys know what I decided to do with these items, and then I will briefly show you the products that I chose for April. Start with the products that I use but have decided to roll out for this month, starting with my Catrice Shape in a Box. I went ahead and threw this in a project just because it hasn't been in a project lately, but it has been in projects, just not lately. And as you can see, the monstrous pan in there, I really need to repress the middle contour shade, and there's a really healthy pan in the light cream shade over here. I use these two the most, obviously. It's a really beautiful contour shade. I love this shade. It's a very perfect neutral color for my skin tone, and I use the cream colored shade to kind of just clean up underneath my contour lightly so it's not like a harsh line, and it's really beautiful for that. I really enjoy this little palette so much where I actually own 2 of them. What's new? I always have 2 or 3 or backups of everything. So I have a whole other one of these to get through. It's in a lighter shade. But I did decide to go ahead and roll this out for the month of April. And then the next item that was in for the month of March was my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. This was in for actually 2 months. I kept it in the project for another month from February to March. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll this out. I really do love this concealer. It is a self-setting concealer. The only problem with it is it's just too light of a shade for me, so I have to mix it with other concealers, but which kind of sucks sometimes. Alone, this concealer is absolutely gorgeous. The old me would go ahead and purchase another one in the correct shade, but since I'm on a no-buy, I'm not going to do that. I have tons of concealers to get through. I'll just mix it until I get down to at least 5 concealers, considering I have like 26, and if I was to miraculously somehow use this one up, then I will be able to repurchase another one, or until I get down to 5 concealers, so that's gonna take a while. But I went ahead and I rolled that out for the month. The next item that was it for March's rotation was my Natasha Denona Mini Sunset Palette, which is actually really gorgeous. I love these cute little eyeshadow palettes. I've been obsessing over little mini palettes lately, but I didn't use it not one time, you guys. I don't know why, but I mean, it happens. That's what's the fun in this type of a project, is you can just roll stuff in and roll it out casually. Whether you use it or not, it's completely up to you. So I didn't really get much use out of this, but that's okay. I'm gonna try to leave this on my vanity and possibly see if I can't get some use out of it, because her formula is really, really great. And of course, I will have the sign up sheet and the master list down below. If anybody is interested in joining in on this project, it's never too late. Feel free to sign up. I would love to have you join. The more the merrier. And then the next item for March was my Wet n Wild Cucumber Setting Spray, and this is actually an empty. This is one of 2 of the cucumber ones. I finished this up, so this is my official first empty in the project. I really like these little Wet n Wild fixing setting sprays. It smells great and it does the job. So my first empty. And then following that was my second empty. So I got 2 empties on this last round, which was my e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. As you can see, it's rolled all the way up. It's literally to this plastic thing here that's like scraping my skin. To me, I don't feel it's worth like going in there and digging out the rest of that product. Some items I will cut open and scrape out, but some I won't. But like this, I just don't feel like it was worth it to me. It served its purpose. It was nice to just apply, you know, before going in with any type of foundation and stuff, to really just kind of prep and hydrate your skin. Great prep before any makeup application. And then the last 2 items are 2 items that I have decided to keep in the project to pan. Starting with my good old L'Oreal Pro Glow that has been in so many projects, and I've been panning this thing since I started project panning basically last year, and it's been in and out of projects, love-hate relationship, but it's in a project again, and I am so close to finishing this up. I'm literally to the point where I'm gonna be able to cut it open. I did put some polls over on my Instagram and asked you guys if you think I should cut this open, and everybody said yes, so I will be cutting this open and scraping out any remaining product. I will be so glad to see this thing done. Well, this is staying in to pan. And then the last item for the month of March is my CoverGirl Give Me Guava lip gloss. This is a really beautiful, beautiful lip gloss. Very comfortable on the lips, not sticky or clumpy whatsoever, or goopy or thick. It's just the perfect consistency. I want to say it's a dupe for the Marc Jacobs lip glosses. I own one of his, and they're very, very similar in consistencies. This is staying in as well to pan. Now, briefly, we'll move on, and I will show you guys the products that I chose for the month of April, with also including the 2 products, the lip gloss and the L'Oreal Pro Glow, are staying in for the month of April, and they're staying in to pan. I will show you the new items I decided to pick and roll in for the month of April. Starting with my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzing Stick. And this is my holy grail, like OG forever repurchase status bronzer. You guys know how much I love this bronzing stick. I've talked about it in several different projects. It's been in my roulette pan collab, and I really, really love this. You can either use it on a brush and apply it, which is kind of how I did it today, just for a real light color wash of contour type or you can apply it directly and it doesn't interrupt any foundation or anything you may have underneath, and it's just a beautiful formula. I use it every day and I figure why not put it in my rotate your stash. So it's in a project. I don't know why, but here it is in the project. The next product that I chose for the month of April is one of my newer items that I got for my birthday as a gift. My Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And this stuff is gorgeous, you guys. I'm getting ready to, and I will do a birthday haul video coming soon on showing you guys all of the products and what all I got for my birthday. My birthday was April Fool's Day, and as you know, I've been on a no buy. I haven't bought a single stitch of any like fun items since October of last year. I'm really excited and I would love to show you guys and do a little birthday haul. Let me know and leave me a comment down below and let me know if this is something that you guys would be interested in. But this came as one of my gifts that my husband got me. Absolutely beautiful. This stuff is, it is just basically what it says it is, and it's a flawless filter. What I really enjoy about this so far is that you can apply it underneath your foundation and just give you that glowy skin. I'm actually wearing it today. Or you can apply it on top of your foundation and to give you extra coverage as well as that just flawless look. It's absolutely beautiful, you guys. I've been loving this stuff. The next product for the month of April is another birthday gift, and that is my ColourPop blush stick in the shade More is More. I just felt this would be the perfect type of a project to put some of my birthday gifts in that I've recently received to kind of get a feel for them and get familiarized with them. So far, this is really pretty blush shade. This one is kind of shimmery. I got two of them. I actually purchased these with a birthday gift card that I received. And that's what I mean. I kind of got a lot of stuff. I really want to show you guys everything that I got for my birthday. But as you can see, it's just a really faint, pretty wash of color it leaves, and it's a bit shimmery, but I'm okay with a shimmery blush. This will be in for the month of April. The next item for the month of April is my little Pat McGrath mini lipstick in the shade Christy. This is a really beautiful peachy pinky nude color. I really have been enjoying her lip formula. Her lipstick formula is very new to me, so I figured what a great way to kind of get familiarized with her formula and put it in this project. A lot of these items for the month of April are a lot of like birthday gifts products and stuff, so that it helps me to kind of get familiarized with them. With that being said, the next one is my NARS little mini blush in the shade Deep Throat that I got for my birthday from Sephora. And it's just a really pretty, real pretty blush shade actually. I've been using this every day and I really enjoy this color and this shade. It is a new color. I've never owned this shade from NARS, so I've been really enjoying it. We have two more items left because I have a total of 9 for the month of April, so we're getting there. Next product is my little e.l.f. bite-size mini eyeshadow palette in the shade Cream and Sugar, and this is an exact dupe for the Natasha Denona mini nude eyeshadow palette that so many people love, but they are now sold out. Exact dupe, you guys. These are really soft and really great formula. Actually, I'm wearing this today. As you can see, it just really makes a really pretty wash of color. I just did a very minimal makeup look today. Again, I don't want to feel like I always need to do a full beat in order to film my videos and stuff, so then it hinders me from filming more videos than I actually can. So today I'm mainly doing a bold lip. I'm wearing the Jeffree Star Calabasas liquid lip with the Buxom lip gloss and Claire over top, and it's mainly a bold lip statement look today. But I did wear this palette and I think the look is really beautiful. These are really soft shades and the shimmers in here are really actually incredible. I've really been enjoying this. And then the last item isn't a birthday gift, but it is new, as in it's never been used yet. I've had this for a little while. This is the J Cat Prismetal Chrome Eye Mousse in the shade Pixie Dust. And as you can see, it's just a really beautiful lime green type of minty green color. And these are absolutely gorgeous on the eyes. They give you that wet metallic-y chrome look on the eye. They don't crease, they don't fade. It stays all day on my lid, and I absolutely love these things. I have about 5 or 6 of them. I'm hoping that this one doesn't stain. I noticed the blue one that I got, I had it in my past, present, and future project pan. It kind of stained my eyelids. It's the only thing I've ever noticed and experienced that has stained my lids. We'll have that project in the cards if you want to go check it out. This is the last item, and I think it's just a beautiful color perfect for springtime right now. Those are all of my products, and those were my products for the month of March. Again, this is just a great way to kind of rotate your stash, if you will. I forgot to mention in the beginning that the first 6 months of this project is your choice in choosing your products, anywhere between 5 to 10, and then the last 6 months of the project, so starting from June on, is going to be roulette style, where all of the products that you are going to be choosing will be chosen at random. I'm really excited about that. That is everything, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope everybody is staying safe, and hopefully everybody's mental health is the best that it can be right now. Try to feed your mind positive thoughts and just try to stay as positive as you can. I know people are getting stir crazy, and it's just been very trying times. I'll be so glad when this is all over. Thank you so much for stopping by, you guys, and until my next video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everybody enjoy the rest of their day. Bye.